I want to do something else with this little text box. We got text and numeric value in there, but that numeric value is supposed to be a currency amount. So I want it to be formatted as a proper currency value. I want the dollar sign, I want the thousands comma, I want the decimal. It should look like a currency value. Well, in order to do this, we're going to go back and change something inside of our formula. We're going to apply the text function to format that value in a specific way. Now, before I change that formula, there's a function called text. And in order to format something, you have to know what the format code should look like. In our case, I want a currency format. So before I type this out, let's go take a look at what currency formats look like. So I'm going to select a cell. Doesn't matter where. We're just going to use it as kind of our little guinea pig here. With that cell selected, I'll go to my Home tab. I'm going to go into the Numbers section, and I'm going to hit the little Options button in the corner. Now, if you don't have an Options button, then we can go up into the little currency symbol, a little down arrow, and I'm going to go into More Accounting Formats. This will take us into the same window. What I'm going to do is go down to Custom, and here we can see all sorts of different formatting options to pick from. But they're represented by these characters, like the pound symbol, the zeros, the dollar sign, the comma. We've got a few different ones in there. And I believe if I scroll up here, you're going to see a load of other ones to pick from. Now, what I want to do is find one that fits my needs. For example, I'm going to grab this bottom one, dollar sign pound, comma, dollar sign, or pound, 0.00. I'm going to choose that one. So I'm just going to highlight that, and I'm going to copy it, and I'll close out of this window. Okay. All right, now back to my V1 cell where I have that formula. So right after the second ampersand, right before the table reference, I'm going to bring in the text function. So I got text, I'm going to open up a parentheses, and the text function takes two parameters, 2 bits of information that it needs. The first thing is the value that you want to format. In this case, it's that reference that we made to the table. At the end of that table reference, I'll do a comma, and then inside of quotes, I'm going to paste in that format that I copied earlier. Dollar sign pound, comma, pound, 0.00, inside of quotes. And that's it. I'll hit my Enter key, and we've now formatted it as a currency. So cool. So watch this. If I come up here and I change one of my income amounts, which updates this cell, which then in turn updates this cell, which then updates our total income. So let's say my side hustle, I was wrong there. I actually made $750. Hit my Enter key, updated, and updated. Pretty cool. I love these little text boxes because once again, you can format them however you like. For example, I'll select the box. I can go to shape format. Maybe I'll do a shape fill of just white. I like that white and blue theme that I got going on here. Maybe I'll do a shape effect and give it a shadow. All right, that's looking pretty good. Maybe I don't like the border. Maybe I'll remove the border. Let's do a no outline there. Yeah, and then maybe I'll select the shape, and I want to change the alignment. I want stuff to be centered. So on my Home tab, underneath the alignment section, I'll do both the center commands here. And I want to bump up the font size as well. Let's make that a little too big. There we go. And that looks pretty good. And we can move that around. You can change the shape of it, change the formatting, whatever you like here. Try this out. Get your box, create the formula. You can do the return, the line feed, the carriage break inside there. You can do the formatting with the text function. But let's get your total income out there and format it how you like it. Try it out.